How to add social links on Roblox profile. So as you can see, I'm currently on my profile right now and I have no social links whatsoever. So if you want to add, just go on the home page right here. Then just click on the gear icon at the top right corner, then go to settings. Once you're there, just simply scroll down here on account info. Just go to account info first, then scroll down. Here you will see social networks. You could either pick Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Gilded, and that's about it. And for this video, I'm just gonna put my Twitter here on the Twitter option right there. So I'm just gonna go get my Twitter profile. So once you're on your Twitter, what you need to do is just go to your profile directly and just click on or highlight the URL on your profile and copy it. Then go back to this page, go to Twitter right here, or whatever you copied. It could either be YouTube or Facebook, but for me, I use Twitter, so I just simply paste it right there. And once you're done, just simply click on save. And save successfully, just click on OK. And the most important part is here on the option to be visible to everyone, friends that users I follow, friends or no one. Make sure that you set it to everyone or friends, so it's up to your preference. But for me, I want for everyone to see or access my link right there, so I'll just simply set it to everyone and just click on save. Once you've saved it, you could now check your profile. It's right there. As you can see, my profile or Twitter link is embedded in this icon, so if I click on it, it will redirect me right there. That's how you basically add social links to your Roblox profile.